Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home Police Press Tinsong said the Government of India, State Government and the Hnlc National Liberation Council are very serious about taking the peace talks to its final conclusion. He also said that they wanted to make sure that the talks will reach a final conclusion. He said the official talks have already started and the government is still waiting for certain processes to be completed as per the last talks that have happened. When asked about the Hnlc's demand for amnesty, the Deputy Chief Minister replied, "Since the official talks have just started, we have to be patient."
The official talk has already started, and then we are waiting certain process as per the last talk that has happened. We are waiting, but let me just tell you again, one more time, Government of India, State Government, and also the Hnlc are very serious about this talk, and we wanted to make sure that we reach to the